YouTube, this is Lucy from KBeautyHobbit.com. It's time for another unboxing video. I just got this in the mail today, and this is the Summer Beauty Essentials by Sophie. You've probably seen me talk about Sophie's beauty boxes. They are curated boxes sent out to influencers with different K-beauty brands. I haven't opened this yet, just took the plastic off that it was shipped in, so I'm super excited to see what's in there. There's always a guide inside with how to use the products and some notes from Sophie, including why she chose specific things. I'm not going to look into it right now because I don't want to spoil the surprise. Ooh. Okay, I don't even know what to start with. Let's see. Let's start here. Keep Cool and Ocean Cream. I've had a little sheet mask by this brand before, and it was really cool. If I remember right, it smelled kind of like expensive cologne. So this is a hydrating gel cream, moisturizing and watery. I am way more prepared today than I was in my last unboxing video. I brought a box cutter. Oh, how cute. I can always use more creams, especially since it's a gel cream. I wonder if it will work well for morning time. I usually just use my SPF as a moisturizer in the morning. That's usually enough. Here's another Keep Cool and Ocean product, Keep Cool and Ocean Oil, Deep Blue Oil. I wonder if that has azulene in it. Azulene? I don't know how to pronounce it. Let's look at the ingredients here. Sunflower. I will have to study this a little bit more. I love a good face oil. I used to always think that people with combination or oily skin shouldn't use oil, but that's actually not true. All the facial oils are all different, and there's something for everyone. And I'm actually coming close to being done with mine. Oh, wow. Oh, that is beautiful. I hope that shows on video. This is this deep, like sea foam color. Wow. I don't want to spill. I'm very excited to use that. This is why I love these boxes. As somebody who's been doing Korean beauty and skincare for a few years now, I've already had a lot of the different products, but I don't think I've ever had something in one of these Sophie boxes that I've actually owned before. It's always something new. What is this? By Face Formulation Fix Sense Keep Cool and Ocean Mist 3-in-1. This is why I love having the guide, because sometimes just by looking at the product packaging you don't really know what it is. Probably a hydrating mist of some sort. How I like the little blue stuff in it. Do you see that? Little blue things. But the little guide that comes with the products usually helps me figure out exactly how and when to use things. This looks like 3 Keep Cool products so far. I'm going to struggle with the pronunciation here. Lapoth Seoul Panthenol Soothing Cream. Great. Can definitely use some soothing. I try not to be out in the sun too much. It does happen. I do garden. I will have to do some weeding once it cools here. So always nice to have a cream. Looks like it's sealed. I am not the most graceful person ever, so I'm not going to actually open these on camera because I will probably squirt them everywhere. Okay, what's this? Oh, SPF. Brilli? I'm not sure how to pronounce that. If you know, leave me a comment. Do not apply on broken skin. Okay, that makes sense. SPF 50 PA+++. I love the PA ratings. That's not something that US products typically have. So here's the little SPF. I am always after SPF products. This one says for dry skin. I have combination. We'll see how that works. SPF is something I used to loathe. I do have to use it. You can even tell by my hands. I'm very pale. But Korean and Japanese SPFs are definitely way more pleasant to use than anything that I've ever tried by a Western manufacturer. So usually there's no white cast and no stickiness. There's occasional like fail here and there, but typically they're very good. Keep cool and soothe foot. Ah, cooling and refresh. Oh, for feet. That's cute. I'm going back to the office next week. I've been working from home during COVID since March, and I'm not on my feet all that much, but it's still going to be a difference definitely to working in my basement to working in the office, so I'm excited to have this. Okay, what is this? Ah, have I owned this? I've seen this. I mean, I don't think, or maybe. I've had so many things in my life already with KBeauty, but I've definitely seen products like this. This is From Nature Aloe Vera Soothing Gel Mist. I love how versatile these ones are. I'll have to see the ingredients on this one. Potentially, it can be used on hair as well. This one says face and body, but I have used these mists on hair too. So that's kind of nice. It's usually just a nice hydrating kind of thing. Good after hair removal too. What is this? Logically Skin HA and PHA multi-purpose peeling pad. 10 pads. Wonder if they're like toner pads or actual peeling pads that you're only supposed to use once a week. I'll have to study that. Looks like it's good for 1 month after opening, which is good to know since there are 10 in here. Logically Skin is one of those brands that I was first introduced to in the Sophie boxes, and I really enjoy their products. It's exciting to see that. Some more Keep Cool and Soothe mask. Keep Cool and Ocean. I think this is the one I've had. And then Keep Cool and Shine mask. Oh, how cute. It's been a long time since I've ordered sheet masks. I think I'm down to only having about 5 or 6. So it's exciting to have some. And what is this? Oh, they're lip balms. Yes, okay. Sorry. See, I told you I'm not graceful dropping stuff. Deep Color, Lusty, Petal, and Bud. Okay, I assume they mean like flower bud and not like buddy bud. Okay. I like this brand. There was something by them I didn't love. I think it was a body wash just because of the scent. But in one of the Sophie boxes, I had a clay mask by these guys, and it is like my favorite clay masks. I love it, love it, love it so much. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm such a sucker for lip balms. Ooh, look at that. Follow me on Instagram at KBeautyHobbit. I will be posting my first impressions, and I'll try to snatch some pictures of this on. Like I said, I'm not the most coordinated person. I don't really want to swatch it here on my hand because I'll probably make a mess, and you don't want to see that. Or maybe you do. I don't know. If you do, leave me a comment. Here's another one. So this one is the Petal. Oh, how cute. Oh, look at that. Okay, I'll risk it. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. It's nice and creamy. We'll see how that wears. Of course, lip products is one of those things right now that are interesting with the masks and all. I do miss having a reason to put on some pretty lip stuff. And, man, this is like closed. Okay. This one is Bud. Oh, that's not what I expected. I thought it would be like a deep red, but it's more of a, it's like a taupe, a brown. Oh, I like that. Okay. Very nice. So like I said, follow me on Instagram because I will be posting first impressions and reviews there, just like I always do. And it's always really exciting to test products. And I do some empties videos, which is a full review of something I've owned long enough to actually finish out. But first impressions sometimes can be fun as well. Have you ever had a Sophie box? If you had, let me know what your thoughts are. And some ones, they do kind of on a limited basis open them for purchase. So follow them on Instagram and check it out, because sometimes I have seen in the past that they've opened things up to be purchased, and these are definitely amazing. I don't know how they price it, but it's probably a better deal than buying everything separately. So thanks you for watching. Let's maybe take a very quick look at the guide now that I know what's inside. There we go, information, and here's something about all the masks, the key ingredients, how to use. I love these guides. I always keep them because it's just nice to reference. And then here's the lip stuff. I'm so excited. Under the mask, less makeup. See, she totally knows what I'm talking about with the masks. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you're having an awesome weekend and staying healthy. Have a great one. I will see you in my next video. Bye.